Hello everyone. Welcome back to the second episode of podcast of Pages of Success. This is Shabangi from 12th Arts C with
Vaishnavi from 12th Arts B.
Vaishnavi. Don't you think people sometimes don't value things they get easily?
What are you referring to, Shivangi?
Yesterday, I went to a restaurant and saw many people didn't finish the food they had ordered. And on the other hand, there are so many underprivileged people who don't even get one meal a day.
You know, Shivangi, there is actually an organization which works in this field known as the Robin Hood Army. It's a zero fund organization which collects surplus food from restaurants for the less fortunate sections of our society in cities across India and 14 other countries.
I remember even I have heard about this. It was started by Neil Ghosh, right?
Yes, it was him along with Anand Sana, Sanchit Jain and Arushi Batra.
They believe that the challenge is not lack of food, but it is making food consistently available to everyone who needs it.
That's such a great thought. The volunteers in this organization are called the Robins and are mostly students and young working professionals. Everyone volunteers in their free time.
I see. Robin Hood Army is not just working towards tackling the issue of hunger, but is actually making youth of our country responsible.
Absolutely. They serve food to the lesser fortunate sections of our society, which includes homeless families, orphans, patients from public hospitals, and old age homes.
Wow, that's great. It was originated on 26 August 2014 and till now they have served more than 7 crore meals in about 252 cities.
Wow! You know, Shivangi, the number of Robins who have enrolled till now is more than 1 lakh. It is fascinating to know that an organization started by just the 4 youths of our country has such a huge number of volunteers.
That's impressive. It was started in New Delhi and eventually spread its operation to other Indian cities like Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Jaipur, Jabalpur, Panipat, Gurgaon, Pune, Dehradun, Faridabad and Ahmedabad.
That means they covered a large part of our country. Shivangi, they even commenced their activities in Karachi on 15 February 2015.
Yes, I know. After that, they set up chapters in 10 more countries, including Bangladesh, Nepal, Philippines, Indonesia in Southeast Asia, Egypt in Africa, Mexico in North America, and Melbourne in Australia.
I even heard that taking inspiration from India, in February 2018, Robin Hood Army was started in the Greater Toronto area in Canada.
That's such a great achievement. But their service isn't limited to food. In 2016, Robin Hood Academy was started with the purpose to bridge the gap between streets and school. By giving access to basic values and primary education, Robin Hood Academy empowers students by developing their inclination towards learning.
Yeah, I have heard that they achieved great success in this mission too. They have empowered primary education for more than 7,300 street children as of in February 2021.
Hats off to them. What makes me even more surprised is that being part of such a great organization is not difficult at all. One can easily be a Robin by registering name on their website.
Even I wish to register. They even hold a number of campaigns. In October 2014, during the festival of Diwali, Robin Hood Army launched a Facebook campaign which was aimed at inspiring their social media followers to gift anything ranging from food, clothing, toys, etc. with the hashtag The Robin This Diwali.
They really know how to use online media platforms fruitfully. They have held many online media campaigns like the one with the hashtag Be Robin This Christmas, Mission 100K, or Diwali to Remember, and much more.
Yes, I know. They have truly devoted themselves to the society. In April 2016, rural Maharashtra experienced its worst droughts in the decade. The Robins sprang to action and worked relentlessly day and night to help the fellow citizens. This resulted in collecting and transporting 75,000 liters of water to Latur via a special train.
Vaishnavi, hearing this incident, the name of this organization is truly appropriate, isn't it?
Yes, just like Robin Hood, they work for the welfare of people, and like an army, they are indirectly protecting the people by providing them basic necessities like food and education.
I think that this organization should be popularized even more.
I agree. It's been such an inspirational journey that shows in order to become successful, one needs a mission, determination, and a supportive team.
So, how many of you wish to be part of this army?
That's all for this episode. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a great day ahead and keep listening to the podcast, The Pages of Success. Bye bye.